Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm super excited to dive into the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, a game changer for smart home comfort. If you're looking to upgrade your home's heating and cooling with cutting-edge tech, stick around. This one's packed with features that'll blow you away. Let's get started. First up, let's break down what makes the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium so special. This Wi-Fi-enabled thermostat works with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, so you can control it with your voice or through the Ecobee app from anywhere. It comes with a smart sensor that detects occupancy and temperature, ensuring your home stays comfy in the rooms you use most. Plus, it has a built-in air quality monitor that alerts you to poor air conditions, perfect for keeping your space healthy. The sleek touchscreen display is easy to use and it's ENERGY STAR certified, helping you save up to 23% on heating and cooling costs annually. It's also got advanced radar sensors for better room detection and even pauses your HVAC if a door or window is left open with the optional Smart Security subscription. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, the energy savings are huge. Homeowners can save hundreds yearly, and the thermostat often pays for itself in under 2 years. The smart sensor is a standout, balancing temperatures across rooms, so no more hot or cold spots. The air quality monitor is a unique feature, especially if you have allergies or kids. Installation is a breeze, taking about 30 minutes with the included power extender kit for homes without a C-wire, and it integrates seamlessly with smart home systems like Apple HomeKit and SmartThings. On the con side, the price is a bit steep compared to basic thermostats, and some features, like door and window sensors, require additional purchases or subscriptions. Also, setting up voice control with Alexa might need a quick tweak in the app to work smoothly. So, should you buy it? I recommend the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium if you want a high-tech, energy-saving solution that keeps your home comfortable and healthy. It's ideal for smart home enthusiasts or anyone looking to cut utility bills without sacrificing comfort. If you're on a tight budget or don't need the air quality monitor, you might consider the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced instead. But the Premium's extra features are worth it for most. Alright folks, that's my take on the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. If you're ready to grab one, check out the referral link in the video description for the best pricing and any special promos from Rick's Review Hub. Your support through that link helps keep these reviews coming, so thank you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.